super penetrating. These are oil based, these are wax based.
You push the hose all the way to the end and then start to spraying and take it out slowly. It's very sticky.
I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. Hello and welcome to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel. And this episode we are going to make some rust protection to our T4 Syncro body.
I'll show you how to spray.
And before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you've not done yet. And remember, it's cost nothing. So, let's look what we are going to use today. I have a Sika cavity wax, and this I have already in my garage, so I'm going to use this. And then I buy more Biltema. These are wax-based cavity wax, and this wins some testings. So I know many guys, you don't think Biltema could have any professional products, but this one is quite good depending on the tests. Light brown, yellowish brown color. This I'm going to use in cavities, but I have also Dinitrol, brown, super penetrating, stops existing rust. So these are different. These are oil based, but the problem with this are it's very thin. I think it's going to dry out from the larger areas, so don't try to use this one to larger areas because it's not drying there, it's just drying off. So I'm going to use this one in the fender joints because there are very tiny holes and gaps, and this one can drain to the very deep, those two sheet metal joints. That's the good place for use this. So I'm going to use this first on those very sketchy places, and then I use this cavity wax, and then I'm going to leave it overnight for drying. Day after that I'm going to use this tactile underlay protection, but these are in the wrong bottle because I put it in the sprayable bottle. So that's our plan today. Let's start to do it. So let's put this Dinitrol ml to the gun. This is not different like oil. It's very thin. It looks like an old engine oil. And I'm going to use this SATA. I don't know what is name of this gun. This is SATA Dykbecher. That's just for the cavity waxing. And I have this flexible hose which sprays round spray, and I can turn this in the every angle. You can twist this. So let's go to try.
Okay. So it comes out of the water draining hose. So then it's gonna work perfectly. I'm not going to use this stuff much, just for the fender arches. we are going to use in this from outriggers. And as you see, you push the hose all the way to the end and then start to spraying and take it out slowly. You see. So I'll show you how this sprays. It sprays like this all around. So another side, what it is.
So now the cavity wax is done, and I use 5.5 liter, and again this time I use all in. So I should have here a little bit more, but it's not a big problem. I have already outriggers and the fender arch done. Tomorrow I'm going to spray here that under chassis protection compound. So this is going to be black. And the same is in here in the rear fender. It's gonna be black. But under the car, I'm gonna leave it like this. It's not 100% coverage, but I think all joints are done. And if it's dry, it's gonna be just fine. And those spring mounts I spray between the two layers there, so I think they are gonna be fine. But now I'm going to clean a little bit this overspray, and you see there is one hole, but it's not a problem. And all cavities I spray with the hose. If it's dry, it's okay for put the parts back together. So now I'm just clean a little bit this overspray. And remember, spray to the towel. If you spray the surface, that cavity wax will go off. Easy to clean now before it dries. You can't wash it 100% because it's still drain from the hose. So that's it today. Tomorrow I spray these fenders. So I put this time plugs to the holes so I can put that underlay protection coating. So these are going to be under that black surface.
So this underlay protection compound is very sticky. I'm not sure does it come out with this gun. If it's not wet, then I need to try to use this gun what I used yesterday, because this has much more pressure because it's a spray under pressure, all the things. This gun just works with the junction. Let's see how it is working. It's very sticky. So I think I need to put this nose quite far. So let's try what happens. Yeah, anyway, it works quite smooth. So the problem is the shooting in behind corner there. So let's try. This compound makes good sound protection. So this is this kind of stuff, and the purpose is this. It's a protection from the stones which the spinning tire makes here.
So it looks like this style now, and I need to again today a little bit clean those overspray. And I don't spray all the surfaces on the car here, just where the worst place for stones. Then I took out the coverings, and now next step is, I don't know which one I'm going to do, change bushings or painting this body. Before, I think I'm going to change bushings and make axles back here, and then roll the body to the spray booth for painting it finished. But now my wife gave me another idea, so why I don't paint this body here, because we don't need to care a little bit dirt or something like that in this car. And so if we paint it here in the body bench, we don't need to put the axles in yet. So, and here is not much of bottom work. As you remember, we done almost all rust places. In the next few days we are going to take out the windshield. Before, I think I don't change it, but there is a little bit rust, so I'm going to take it off so I can repair those, take off those rusts also. And one side window behind the driver's seat, left side, we are going to take off two, because I have new window which I can sliding open. So that's the plans. So let's see next videos which are coming next, painting or bushings, but I don't have bushings yet, they are on the way. I'm going to end this video here, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it costs nothing. See you. Thank you for watching, and see you in next episode. I'm not sad at all that I removed the window. I can see problems here. So now it's gonna be fine once and last